Yeah, yeah, everyone, we have to create a new project and we have to start new thing. Okay, so do one thing, create a new project for navigation part. Okay, so what we have to do generally, so where do you want to create your project? Okay, go to that particular folder, remove this file path, close all your things if you want, close. So close your command prompt, VS Code, close everything. We are going to start new one.
Like a my app folder, we create a new folder.
Yes, my nav bar or my nav or my routing. So we are going to create routing. Okay. So here I am opening my command prompt. Command prompt. What is the command? Where do you want to create your project?
How did all these folders come in?
In my React classes folder, I have taken so many projects. I just taking so many classes, right?
So
As
we just create any new folder, go to the command bar,
right. So create a here. Where do you want to create your project? Remove that file path and type cmd and it's open. What is the command? npx. Absolutely, create React app and project name. Yeah, nav app. So I think I already have nav app. No, I don't have nav app. So I just giving nav hyphen app.
It can be in capital.
No, no need.
No name, but it can be, right?
It can be. Okay. If I click on enter, yeah, you're creating a project, right? You need internet. Once the project is created, no need of internet. So if you click on enter,
What is the name of the folder?
nav app folder will create. Okay. So please create a new project for routing purpose. Enter. Yeah, enter. Once if you click on enter, it will take time to create a project. Depends on your internet speed and depends on your computer speed. It will take time and it will create a project. So already I have a nav app folder.
If you can, after giving the command, in case we connect the internet, it will not start.
No, no. If without internet, if you execute that command, it will throw everything without internet. So give space. And after npx, give space. Yeah, npx space create React app space project name. In my computer, it's throwing me error because.
Create a project for navigation because of NPM naming the system. That's why I asked, can I give a capital name? No, normal capital.
So use hyphen.
No, but it's showing the capital error. So we can't have it.
This is not the problem. The problem is you come that is the problem. also facing some issue. Instead of so if it is throwing me error, what I will do, I will use better npm install -g create React app. So because I'm getting error, so I want to install create React app globally, then I will use create React app to create the project. Maybe that is internet issue, but I will use create React app to create my project.
In the folder we take
npm start.
NPM
npm start.
and then it will go to localhost.
Then it goes to localhost. So meanwhile I will tell you about one library. This routing is not inbuilt feature of React. Routing.
We are going through npx. It's showing an error for npm start. ENOMP is called open error package.json.
Audit error.
Yes.
No, actually, you see, come now. Yeah, wait here. You will in the E drive and you will execute the command. But you have to execute the npm start in nav app,
Okay.
So you go inside the nav app and execute that command. Again, I'm getting error. See, my problem is network connectivity. So I don't have internet, so it's not creating the project. Yeah, you're created, right? Yeah. Now we need to talk about one library. Yeah. So good. I will continue. Okay. See, if you want to install any Android application in your phone, what you will do generally? If you want to develop Android application, you will go to Android Studio. But if you want to install Android application in your phone, you'll go to Play Store. Play Store. If you want to install something in the iPhone, you will go to App Store. So we are JavaScript developers. If we need any JavaScript library, we'll go to npmjs.com. npmjs.com. So this is just like a Play Store for Android, App Store for iOS. I think you know a bit of Python also, right?
Yes.
So for Python, if you need something packaged, you will go to one website. Python package index, PYPI website. Yeah. So that is Python package index. Same way, this one npmjs.com. Here we will get all JavaScript libraries. For example, you want to create a calendar. So we are maybe in February, right? So maybe for January, you want to give that application to your friends. So if you want calendar, there is calendar application available here. So install this calendar into your application and you can use this functionality and you can create calendar application. If you want chart available here. Okay, I want to develop chess application, chess game, for example. There is chess plugin available. Means what? There is existing code available in the npmjs.com. You can install those libraries into your React project and you can use that existing code. So you no need to develop everything from your fingertips. Okay, why we are using npm, why we are using Node? This is the purpose. Okay, so we are in the very modern technology. So there is so many ready-made libraries available. So if you want to develop JavaScript application, maybe you are from React side, maybe you are from Angular, maybe you are from Node, you are from Vue.js, maybe you are from any JavaScript library. you can come to this npmjs.com. Same way, for example, if you're a Python developer, you will go to this one. Here you will get all your Python modules. That's why Python and JavaScript are market leaders. So front end side JavaScript, back end side Python. Why these two technologies are market leaders? Because of these two reasons. Okay, and for example, if you search for maybe calendar, example, you search for calendar, you can see there are so many calendar applications. So this is very hard to choose. So do one thing, just try to understand how many years ago it is published. So try to choose latest one, and as well as click on some library. Try to understand how many downloads per week. You just see that. So this application 0 downloads. So downloads, weekly downloads, as well as how many days ago it is updated. The two very important. You need latest one, along with you need demanded one. So many people downloading means that is demanded one. So here I am searching for a library name called React Router DOM. This is the library name. So we are in the right place. What we are searching? React Router DOM. So this is the library we are using for navigation purpose. Library name is what? React Router DOM. Okay. So routing is not inbuilt functionality of React. Routing is not inbuilt functionality. We need a third-party library. So that we came to npmjs.com. There are plenty of libraries. Among them, we are choosing one that is named called React Router DOM, and we have many libraries for the routing. And click the top one because it is updated 11 days ago, and you can verify the downloads, weekly downloads. You can see. Okay, and choose another libraries also. Go to another libraries and verify how many downloads it have. Maybe there is a React Easy Router. Click on that. Okay, so that one having 55, it is having 36. So obviously I'm going to choose the first one, or else you can choose second one also, because 36 means good one. You can choose any one, but the biggest thing is you can see. So this here indirectly they're using React Router DOM. So they're taking the help of this library. On top of that, they're developing one more library. Okay, so you need to understand the documentation. So which documentation is good? Choose that. Okay, so we have 3 demanded courses actually: React, Angular, Vue.js. Among them, we chosen React. Why we are not chosen Angular and Vue.js? Coming to Angular, React is faster, so we chosen React. Okay, but coming to Vue, Vue is having same kind of performance like React. But why we chosen React? Why we are not chosen Vue? Not about the performance. Performance is good. Vue is combination of Angular and React because of a strong reason, that is community. For example, in your whole class, maybe there are, for example, 20 people. 19 people want to learn React.js. One person chosen Vue.js. So 19 people help each other. Stay alone. So same way, Vue.js having less community. So if you got any problem, you can't get solution easily. So that's why Vue.js is a bit, backward than the React. Not for the technical reason, because of community. Okay, same way. So choose a proper documentation. First, try to understand the documentation. Is this documentation is good? Then choose that library. See, there is a big documentation for this React tutor DOM. Okay, I just clicked on this. I went to React tutor DOM, and there is the getting started guide option. Click on that, then you got this documentation. So you got good documentation. So I'm choosing this React router DOM. So already we created some project, right? Maybe in my SRC, maybe I have some files. I will delete them. Don't worry. See, because of my internet, I can't create new project, but I'm taking some existing project. I'm going to make it new project. I'm deleting everything from the app.js. Okay. So I'm just simply placing div. So in app.js, go to app.js and delete everything what you have. So only place divs inside that HTML, okay? And yeah. So next, you are inside the project, right? Inside the project, execute a command that is npm install library name is what? React router DOM. If you have any doubt, then go to the library, just see there is the command npm install react router DOM. Yeah, I stands for install. npm install react router DOM. Okay, so yeah, again open one more command prompt, execute this command. After project started, no? So execute this command.
And the one in which it is already running, let it be there.
That last
Npm
project.
start we have already done, right? Let it run.
Yeah, let it run. Open one more command prompt.
One more, another command.
Yeah, so with the same project, open one more command prompt and execute npm install react router DOM. So if it is not execute, no problem.
It's saying that run npm audit for details and to address, there are 8 vulnerabilities in that.
It is running.
2 moderate and 6 high.
Uh,
To address all issues including waiting charges, run npm audit fix.
no, that chalta, yeah, what, nothing happened.
Got to do nothing.
Yeah, so execute this command. What is that? npm install react router DOM. If you can't see, I will zoom it. npm install react router DOM. I'm executing. If I click on enter, it will download or install. So what happened after this download? Go to node modules and verify. After this download, verify is that React router DOM folder available in your node modules or not. Go to node modules folder and verify this folder. React router DOM, that folder is added to your node modules or not. Added. And one more thing you have to do. Go to VS Code, open package.json file. Go to VS Code. In the package.json, verify that React router DOM library added.
So we need to open this way.
It is added, no? Yeah.
How will it come up?
In the dependencies, in the package.json.
Back
How
to
we can start with that?
Yeah, absolutely. Added.
What was the first one?
Just create the project and then execute this command in the project.
This is
Done.
First one.
Go to node modules and
No,
verify.
First command you told for
npx create React app and your project name.
NPX. Excuse me.
Yeah, please.
NPX.
npx
Yes.
create React app and your project. Yeah, execute that.
The spaces are.
You're giving spaces?
Yes.
Don't give spaces.
Sir.
Only npx space create React app space and project name. Yeah, you're executed, right? Yeah. Install, right? It's installed. Then start the project and verify whether that node module downloaded into node modules or not, as well as verify that is added in the packet.json. So these two things you have to do. Okay, and you have that old project also, no? Yeah, in the node modules you can't see this React router DOM folder. In that packet.json you can't see React router DOM. You have old project, no? No. In that old project, you don't have that node module. Okay, so that is a point you need to understand. Means now that code is available in your project. That is downloaded into your project. That's the point you need to understand. For example, what kind of functionality you need? Go to npmjs.com and download that into node modules. You got it? So which library you required? So you can search for some functionalities. For example, chart functionality required. So search in the internet. Go to the Google or ChatGPT. Which node module better for chart application in React? So it will give you some suggestions. Maybe go to Google, ask something, and get that. Apply those libraries. Okay? So okay.
No, once you
Please,
see that
can you
React.
tell from where to?
Yeah, I'm coming.